How to fix Discord not detecting any input from your mic. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Discord not detecting any input from your mic. So let us get started. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your settings. So open up your settings first, and after you open up your settings, head over to sound. Now, to head over to your sound, first head over to your system too, and after you're there, you will see the input section. Now, under your input section, simply tap on your microphone array and make sure that this is turned on. After you've done that, you can head back here and you can even toggle with the other input devices if you have that. And after you've done that, you can also change the volume. Now, after you've done all of these, you can also head over to the advanced section where you can choose your volume mixer. You can head over to your device drivers. You can update your input drivers for your microphone and do all of that. After doing all of that, what you can do is head over to your Discord again, and under your Discord, head over to user settings. Now, on your user settings, make sure that your device's setting is made to, take your input voice. So for that, head over to your app settings and there you should see voice and video. Head over there and right here you will see Discord wants to make sure that you allow the site to give, your access to your microphone. So allow it this time, and there we go. Now here what will happen is that you will need to check your mic. You'll also need to check your input mic and your input volume right here. After you've done that, you can head down below and toggle on with this other settings here. You can change the settings if you want to. You can turn on your noise suppression. You can uh, play with the advanced voice settings if you want to. And after you've done all that, make sure that you have enabled this permission for microphone on Discord. That is the most important thing. And after you've done that, you can also restart your computer if you want to. And doing that, your problem should get fixed, guys. And that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.